Hello and welcome to Cardano Wall, a place where you can send any message to the blockchain. In this short video I will show you how to use Cardano Wall and we will send a test message. To send a message you will need a balance, but there is no registration on Cardano Wall. You can just anonymously buy a coupon and use it for sending messages. To do that, just enter your email here and click proceed. On the next page you will see an address, a QR code, and you can send any amount as low as 1 ADA to the address. 1 ADA is one message on your balance. As soon as your transaction is confirmed, you will see a coupon already activated, and you will also get a copy to your email. Your email is used only once to send you a coupon, and it's not stored in the service. Okay, so now I have a coupon that has 5 messages on the balance that I can send. And we can send a test message. You can just enter any text here. You can also include an image that will be shown with your text message on Cardano Wall. And there are other options. I will explain them shortly. First, you can create or upload your private key. To create a new one, just click generate and it will generate a private key in your browser. Here you can see the private key, the public key that is derived from the private key. You do not send your private key anywhere. You can save it to your computer. Let me generate a new one and I will save it as a file. And later or next time I can again select it from my computer. There is a concept called proof of existence. It's based on a hash value of a file. If you send a hash value to the blockchain where information cannot be altered, changed, or deleted, it will prove that a hash value of a file existed at the moment when the transaction was made. And since the hash value of a file, of the same file, even years later will remain the same, you have a proof that a file existed at the moment you send a transaction. To add a proof of existence, you can click this icon here and select a file. The browser automatically calculates the hash value of a file. It also includes a digital signature that is made with your private key and that can be verified with your public key. That is a second level of proof of existence. You do not only prove that your file existed at the moment when the transaction was sent, but you can also prove that you were the one who signed the proof of existence with your private key. You can also select multiple files at the same time or do this one by one. Once you have generated or selected a private key from your computer, you can toggle this encrypt and send files to Cardano Wall storage checkbox. If you enable it, you can select a file from your computer and it will also include an encrypted version of the file that will be sent to the Cardano Wall storage. Creating digital signatures or encrypting files happens in your browser on a client side, so you do not send any private information, your private key or the content of your files to Cardano Wall or to the blockchain, so it's completely safe for you to do that. So our test message is ready. I will click this checkbox so I confirm that I understand that the message will stay forever on the blockchain. Please do not send any personal information that you can regret about later. If you want to send something to the blockchain and you do not want this message to be seen on Cardano Wall, you can also check this checkbox. Okay, I click send and it's done. The message is saved. You can see it here on Cardano Wall. You can actually go to this message. You see the public key that is included and you can also see files. You can download encrypted file here. But to get an original file, you will need to decrypt it. Or you can just upload your saved private key. It will verify that the public key is created from this private key. It will also verify the signatures of those files. And there is a new button here that says decrypt and save the file. If I click that, my browser will download the encrypted file from Cardano Wall and it will decrypt the file in the browser so I can save the original content of the file. And again, this all happens in your browser, so no any private information is sent to Cardano Wall to decrypt files. Every encrypted file has its own unique password, and you can share the password to decrypt a specific file without compromising your private key. You can see the password by clicking here, or you can copy it by clicking this copy icon. If you want to see how the message looks in the blockchain, you can click this link, and you will see the structured content of your message. So it's officially on the blockchain, and it will stay there forever. Thank you for watching this video, and I will also make a long video with an explanation of proof of existence and how to work with it. If you want to support the development of this project, you can delegate to my stake pool called Vice.